That thing looking like a snack. Man, damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. And you know, it was never luck.
So today is another styling video. I am styling this suit that I got from a page on Instagram called I Thrift. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz Kamau. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for clicking into my video. If you're new here, karibu sana. Welcome to the Live and Love family. Here we live, we love, and we sprinkle kindness everywhere we go. So I hope you guys get to enjoy this video. Thank you so much for the love, the support. Honestly guys, I'm loving it here. Like, I am loving this love, and I'm loving this season of abundance and everything. So please, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, do the right thing. Click on that red button that is written subscribe, and just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Another styling video, and finally baby girl owns a suit. Guys, I've been wanting a suit for the longest time. I got mine from a page on Instagram called I Thrift, and this took so long for us to get a suit that will actually fit me, but I am so grateful that I got this one. It's purple in color. It's such a beautiful color, and today we're going to be styling a suit in the most ways, or trying to wear a suit in the most ways that we can. So first way, I wore it just as a complete suit. Just added my black pair of heels, added my black bralette, added my cute bag from Stylish Wow, and I just love how it looks. It looks like a CEO. It's giving me CEO kind of vibes. Look like fierce, confident, like I'm here to get this, you know, when you're going to sign deals or when you're doing something formal, you know, like I'm here babes, like this is mine. It just gives me that kind of vibe, fierce, confident, and I got this, like I got this. So for my second fit, I decided to replace the blazer with this beautiful tribal vintage print poncho that we are currently stocking at Stylish Wow. Please go check out my business. The link will be on the description box. I just love this outfit. Like, it gives me a boss babe kind of vibe. It also gives me elegant and classy kind of level vibes. Guys, can you just see how this outfit, like this poncho, just shifted everything to elegance? I don't know if you guys can see this. You can literally wear this to work. You can wear this to school. No, can you wear this to school? This can be so much. I don't think so. But you can wear this to church. You can wear this to formal meetings. And people will be like, wow. Like, places you just need people to realize, like, I'm a stylish babe. Like, a stylish babe has just entered. You know, I love this fit. So for my third fit, I just wanted to go really simple. But can you see how the purple pants are just screaming royalty? The satin top is just screaming sophistication. And there's just that elegance vibe in this outfit. So I went with this satin top that I thrifted somewhere in Think Twice. My bag is also from Stylish Wow, and I added some black pair of heels. And guys, can you see this? It's simple, but it also shows like, yo, this babe did something. Like, she put some efforts to her outfit, and it just screams elegance to me. It just screams sophistication to me. And yo, I'll wear this to work. I'll wear this to a formal meeting. I'll wear this, I don't know, I'll just wear this to anything formal. I'll literally wear this. So one thing that I learned while I was styling all these is that styling color purple was such a challenge for me, and I just didn't want to go with black. I wanted to go out of my comfort zone. I went with this gray skirt. I went with my black beret. I added my maroon or bagdari. There's something that color, English gomu, and just added my purple blazer to it. I was trying to play around with colors. I will definitely wear this for a date, probably a dinner date, yani something sexy, because it gives me sexy kind of vibe, but also like this babe is also elegant, and this babe know what she's doing. Like, I was just trying to play around with colors. So many colors are involved in this fit, but they also turned out so well. So I also wanted to see if I can switch up the same outfit to wear to an office or a formal meeting. I decided to add this belt. I got this belt from Think Twice. It's a really, you need to add this kind of piece. A statement. It's a statement piece. I just snatched my waist to give me that formal kind of look which I was going for. I also switched up the shoes because the other one were too sexy, too like not too formal, and I went with my black heels, and I just love how this fit turned out because I will definitely wear this when I'm going to the office or when I'm going to a formal meeting. And it just gives me also that courage kind of auntie vibe, like a boss babe, like I got this. And honestly, I didn't know like gray and purple would blend in this well, and I just love it. I love. So at this point, I was really trying to create like a casual kind of look, smart, classy, but also casual. And as you can see, the blazer is really vintage, and I love my pieces vintage. Vintage is always classy, guys. So I went with my black pair of jeans, my bralette for that sexy kind of look. I'll definitely wear this for a date. I added my, it's gold heeled. I added the piece on my hair like a small headband. I added this statement bag that is also from Stylish Bow, and I love how it turned out. It's casual, it's smart, it's also classy. Like when you even go for a date with this, people will see like this babe is classy, sexy, elegant, everything. I love it. First, I want to apologize for the trash lighting ongoing here. The yellow dress just kept being washed off by the lighting. But on the second slide, it's actually looking so good. Again, I decided to get out of my comfort zone. And I just decided, you know what? Let's go with yellow and purple and see how it looks. And I just love how this look turns out. I was a bit tensed because I was like, okay, will it turn out well? But I definitely love how it turned out. Like the blazer gives me that elegant and classy kind of vibe, because I told you vintage pieces are always classy pieces. The yellow dress gives me sexy, like it gives me date kind of vibe. I'll definitely wear this whether I'm going for a dinner date or a lunch date. I added this white bag that is from Stylish Bag. I feel like I could have switched up the bag to something black and also wore my golden shoes, and I love it. I love the outfit generally. So for this fit, I was going for street style kind of vibe. I was also going for comfortable, like comfort is a thing that I was going for right here, because I wanted a fit that I would wear every single day or every other day. I was also going for my style kind of vibe, like my style is more vintage and everything, and I've been seeing people rocking suits with sneakers, so I decided, how about I just put on some sneakers with my suit, changed my bralette to something different, which I totally love, added my sling bag. Like it gives me that vintage, like sexy, it's also really sexy because of the bralette inside kind of vibe. It turned out so well, and it's also so comfortable and so easy to like create. If you have a suit, you just need a bralette and some sneakers and you're good to go. It also makes me look so fashionable, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. It also makes you look so stylish in a way that this is it. Like everywhere you go and you step in looking like this, people will know like you just didn't create this just like that. This babe is stylish, and I love this. I love this fit. I loved creating these fits. I just enjoyed this. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below on what you think also. Thank you, and see you on my next one. Bye.